Hello students, in the previous video we have learned how to find out the perimeter and area of rectangle and square. Today we will see area of parallelogram and area of triangle. How to find out area of parallelogram? Here I have drawn a parallelogram A, B, C, D. So the sides AB and CD are parallel to each other. Same way AD and BC, they are parallel. These opposite sides are parallel. Area of parallelogram can be calculated using the formula base into height. Which is the base and what is the height? Here in the parallelogram ABCD, if you take AB as the base, the height will be, let this be P. Okay? So the perpendicular which is drawn from towards the base to the opposite vertex, that is the height. So here if you take AB as the base, then DP is the height. And if you take BC as the base, the height will be the perpendicular that is drawn from A. A is the opposite vertex. So like this. From A you can draw the perpendicular. And if you take CD as the base from B, this distance will be the height. Clear to you? So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of triangle is given by the formula half into base into height. That is, area of parallelogram, it is base multiplied by height. That divided by 2 will give you area of triangle. For example, if you take the triangle APD here, APD, the base it is AB and the height it is DP. Clear to you? So area of parallelogram, base into height, area of triangle, half into base multiplied by height. Now we can start exercise 11.2. Take out your textbook. In question 1 and question 2, diagrams are given. In that diagram only it is marked as base and height. So using that figure you have to find out area of the given parallelogram, and second question area of triangle. Question 1 we can start with. In question 1 there are 5 sub-questions. First you take A, 1A. See the figure? It is given 7 centimeter as the base and the height is given as 4 centimeter. Then how to find out area of parallelogram? You know the formula. How to find out area of parallelogram equals base into height. So first what is given, that you write here, base is equal to, base equals 7 centimeter. What is height? 4 centimeter. Formula, area of parallelogram base into height (7 centimeter) into 4 centimeter, 28 centimeter square. This is the area of parallelogram. Is that clear? Now, I am going to solve question D. Now question D. See, B and C you have to do as homework. Similar type. Now D. Base is equal to 5 centimeter. Height equals 4.8 centimeter. Then we can find out area of parallelogram. Formula: base into height. Five centimeter multiplied by 4.8 centimeter. Multiply and see. 4.8 multiplied by 5. 1 decimal, that is 24 centimeter square. That is the answer. If you know the formula, it's very easy to calculate. Next one, E. Base equals, how much is the base from the figure? Find out. 2 centimeter. Height 4.4 centimeter. Therefore, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Two centimeter multiplied by 4.4 centimeter, you will get 8.8 centimeter square. That is the answer. Is that clear? There are total 5 sub-questions in question 1. B, C. I am not done. Remaining A, D and E I solved here. Similar type B and C you can try. Now question 2. Question 2. Find the area of each of the following triangles. Triangle given. You know how to find out area of triangle? Half into base into height. So here base. First question. Base given as 4 centimeter. Height 3 centimeter. Area of triangle half into base into height. Base, if you take the letter B and height as h, we can write half into B into h. Substitute the value. Half into 4 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter will give you 2 and 4, 2, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, then 6 centimeter square is the answer. Now B. What is the base? 5 centimeter. Base is equal to 5 centimeter. Height 3.2 centimeter. Then area of triangle half multiplied by B into h. That is base into height. That's equal to half into 5 centimeter multiplied by 3.2 centimeter. That's equal to 3.2 divided by 2 will give you 1.6. Here you can write 1.6. So the answer will be 8 centimeter square. 8 centimeter square is the area. So total there are 4 questions in question number 2. A and B I solved. So you have to try question number C and D. C and D you have to do. Now question 3. Question 3, there is one table given. You have to find out the missing values. In some question, base and area given, you have to find out the height. In some question, height and area of parallelogram given, you are asked to find out base. So first question we can start with third one A. What is given there? Base given. Base of parallelogram. Base of parallelogram. 20 centimeter. Now next, area given. Area is equal to 246 centimeter square. What you are asked to find out is the height of parallelogram. So we know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. I am using B and H. B is into height. B for base and H for height. So substitute the value. 246 is equal to 20 multiplied by H. From this, how can you find out H? Therefore, H is equal to 246 divided by 20. That's equal to 10. 123 divided by 10 will give you 12.3. Therefore, height is equal to, height of parallelogram is equal to 12.3 centimeter. This is the answer. Is that clear? Just you have to substitute the values in the formula. Base given, area given. Area of parallelogram, we know that base into height. So area of parallelogram 246, base given as 20 and height we have to find out. So 246 is equal to 20 into H, therefore H is equal to 246 divided by 20 will give you 12.3. Now question B. See the textbook, what is given in B? Height of parallelogram and area of parallelogram given. Height of parallelogram given as 15 centimeter. We can write height of parallelogram (15 centimeter). Then area given as, area of parallelogram is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. Similarly, so then we will write the formula. Area of parallelogram base into height. Base multiplied by height. B for base and H for height. Substitute the value. 154.5 is equal to B multiplied by 15. Therefore, B is equal to 154.5 divided by 15. That's equal to, divide 15 ones are 4, it's not going, so 0. Then 45, 15 threes are 45. So you will get 10.3. So what's the final answer? That is, or therefore, base of the parallelogram is equal to 10.3 centimeter. Is that clear? I hope question number 3 is clear to you. There are total 4 questions in question 3. A and B I solved, and next it is C and D. That you have to try. C and D. I'll explain what is there in C. C, height given and area given. You have to find out the base. Similarly, here also height given, area given. In question C also height and area given, find out the base. And in D, base and area given, you have to find out the height. Same as that of question 1. Okay, now next question, question 4. In question 4 also, there is a table. In that 3 sub questions are there. You have to find out the missing value. First one, what is given there? Base and area of triangle given. Base of triangle given as 15 centimeter. Area of triangle given as 87 centimeter square. Formula: area of triangle half into base into height. Substitute the value. 87 is equal to half into 15 into height h. 87 multiplied by 2, cross multiplying, we get 15 into h. Therefore, h is equal to 87 into 2 divided by 15. That's equal to 174 divided by 15. Divide 174 with 15. 1/15s are 15. Again 1. 11.6. So what's the final answer you will write? Therefore, height of the triangle. So height of the triangle is equal to 11.6 centimeter. Height of the triangle is equal to 11.6 centimeter. Now B. For B, what is given? Height is equal to, height of triangle is equal to 31.4 millimeter. It is given in millimeter. Then area of triangle, how much given? 1256 millimeter square. So area of triangle, we know the formula, half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Substitute the value. 1256 is equal to half into base into 31.4. Cross multiply. 1256 multiplied by 2 is equal to B into 31.4. Therefore, B is equal to 1256 multiplied by 2 upon 31.4. Denominator 1 decimal, we can remove that decimal by multiplying with 10. So we get B is equal to, here see, multiply this. 6 2s are 12. 2512 divided by 31.4. So here multiplying by 10, here we can write 314. That's equal to, divide 2512 with 314. Ones are 8 you will get here. So the answer 8 into 10 will give you 80. Therefore, base of triangle (80 millimeter). Is that clear? Now question C. Fourth one, C. Base given us 22 centimeter. Base of triangle 22 centimeter. Then area given as, area of triangle as 170.5 centimeter square. So we know the formula. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. That is 170.5 is equal to half into 22 multiplied by h. 170.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 22 multiplied by h. So 170.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 22 multiplied by h. Therefore, h is equal to 170.5 multiplied by 2 divided by 22. Is that clear? 170.5 multiplied by 2 divided by 22. That's equal to, when you multiply 170.5 into 2, multiply and find out, you will get the answer as 341. 341 divided by 2 by 22. 341 divided by 22. Divide 341 with 22. 341 divided by 22. Then 5, that is 15.5. You will get it as 15.5. So that is height of the triangle .5 centimeter. That is the final answer. In all these questions, we are using two formulae only, area of parallelogram and area of triangle. Using that formula, we are solving these sums. Now, next question, that is question number 5. Question 5. Listen to the textbook. I'll read the answer and explain. There is one parallelogram given, PQRS. And in that parallelogram, figure is given in the book. QM is the height from Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is equal to 12 cm and QM is equal to 7.6 cm, find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Then second question, QN you have to find out if PS is equal to 8 cm. Listen, I have drawn the parallelogram here. In that, PQRS, it's a parallelogram. PQRS is the parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to SR. QM, this is the height from Q to SR. That means if you take SR as the base, which is the height, QM is the height. So we can find out area of the parallelogram using the formula base into height, as SR is given as 12 centimeter. So first we will find out area of PQRS. Area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to base multiplied by height, which is the base. SR is the base and QM is the height. If you take the base as SR, QM is the height. That's equal to SR multiplied by QM. What is the value of SR given in the question? It is given as 12 centimeter. multiplied by QM given us 7.6 centimeter. Multiply 12 with 76. Answer you will get 912. One decimal place you have to remove. The answer will be 91.2 centimeter square. Is that clear? So that's our first sub question of question 5. So SR is given, QM also given. So parallelogram area you will find out using the formula base into height, base SR multiplied by height QM. Okay. So now one more question is there in that you have to find out Qn if PS given us 8. See here, if PS is given as 8, you have to find out Qn. PS is the base, Qn is the height. And we already know area of parallelogram as 91.2 that we have calculated. What is the base? Base it is PS. How much it is given? 8 centimeter. So you have to find out height Qn. That we have to calculate. So area of parallelogram we know it is base into height. That is base multiplied by height is equal to 91.2. That is PS multiplied by Qn is equal to 91.2. Therefore, what is PS? Substitute the value. 8 multiplied by Qn is equal to 91.2. Therefore, Qn is equal to 91.2 divided by 8. 91.2 divided by 8. That's equal to 11.4. That's the second question. So we can write thus Qn is equal to 11.4 centimeter. That is the answer. Now see question 6. DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD. Here see I have drawn the parallelogram ABCD. DL and BM are the heights. DL is the height to side AB and BM is the height to side AD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square, so area is given. Area of parallelogram it's given as 1470 centimeter square. Now next what is given? AB is equal to 35 centimeter. That is the base. AB 35 centimeter. Next what is given? AD 49 centimeter. Then we have to find out length of BM. We are asked to find out BM, that is this height, and also DL. Yes, both the heights you have to calculate. Now see, I told you AB is the base, then DL is the height. So we can write when AB is the base, when AB is the base, the height is DL. The height is DL. So, area is equal to base into height. That is 1470 is equal to, what is base here? AB multiplied by DL, isn't it? That is 1470 is equal to 35 multiplied by DL. Okay? Therefore, DL is equal to 1470 divided by 35. Divide 1470 with 35. That's equal to, if you want, you can divide 35. So how many times? 4 times. So this 4. So here it is. Sorry. Seven, 17. Okay. Okay. Now it is 42. So answer you will get 42. Okay. So we got DL. Next, what we have to find out? We have to find out BM. Is that clear? So we have taken AB as the base, then DL is the height. So area of parallelogram already given. Now to find out BM. BM is the corresponding height of AD. So we can write when AD is the base, BM is the height. Now area is equal to AD multiplied by BM. That is 1470 is equal to 49 multiplied by BM. Therefore, BM is equal to 1470 divided by 49. What answer? 49 3s are 149. So 30. It is 30 centimeter. So what is the question? Question it is asked, find the length of BM and DL. So we can write the final answer as length of BM is equal to 30 centimeter. Then length of DL 40. How much it was? Length of DL 42 centimeter. 42 centimeter. This is the final answer. Now question 7. Question 7, I have drawn the figure there. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. This is a right angled triangle. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. If AB given us 5 centimeter, BC 13 centimeter and AC 12 centimeter, find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD, which is the perpendicular. So, already given that ABC is a right angled triangle. So, in the right angled triangle ABC, base is equal to, so if this is a right angled triangle and if angle A is 90 degree, we can take AB as the base and AC as the height, isn't it? So, in the right angled triangle, triangle ABC, base, which is base AB, is equal to 5 centimeter, height that is AC. Why? Because this angle is 90 degree. So AB can be taken as the base and AC as the height. 12 centimeter. So as we got the base and height, we can find out area of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. That's equal to half into 5 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter. That will give you 30 centimeter square. 30 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABC. Is that clear? And now listen. If BC is the base, AD will be the height, isn't it? What you are asked to find out next? AD we have to find out. So area of triangle we got it as triangle ABC we calculated as 30 centimeter square. And when BC is the base, which is the height, AD is the height. AD is the height. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, isn't it? Here in this triangle area is 30, that's equal to half into what is the base? BC. BC it is 13 centimeter multiplied by h. You will tell me afterwards. 13 multiplied by h. Here what is h? H means AD. So in place of h we can write AD. Okay, h, that is AD. Then cross multiplying 30 into 2 is equal to 13 into AD. Therefore AD is equal to 30 multiplied by 2 divided by 13, 60 divided by 13. Divide 60 with 13, you will get the answer in decimal. If you want, you can write it in this fraction also. Centimeter. So, therefore, what was the question? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 30 centimeter square. Then length of AD. (60) divided by 13 centimeter. This is the answer. Now question 8. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter and BC 9 centimeter. So you know that isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB? That means we have to find out the height CE. Same as that of question 7. Figure is given, figure 11.26. So you can try it same way that how we solved question 7. I hope exercise 11.2 is clear to you. Practice all the sums in your practice book and also copy these sums to your notebook also. Thank you.